Statement 11. Miseducation. Deciding to drop. After I realized animal sciences was not the area of study for me, I had another realization. I was taking a theater class as an elective, and it was my favorite class of the entire week. It was twice a week, first thing in the morning, 8 a.m. I liked my chemistry class and my English class. When I left that theater class, I felt lifted and satisfied. My classmates enjoyed my goofy, committed personality. My instructor gave me praise and continuously tried to convince me to take theater classes next semester and get more involved in the community. And though I loved that class, I battled with the mindset that this wasn't for me. Even though I felt more me in that space than I felt anywhere else on campus or anywhere. So I decided, heck with it. I'm going to be a theater major. This is college, right? People change majors all the time. Let's try it out. This is the place to experiment and discover who you are. But there was a problem. I was attending university under scholarship, a specific scholarship focused in sciences. If I changed majors, I would lose my scholarship and have to pay full out for the tuition that wasn't covered by financial aid. Correction, my mother would have to pay. And I knew she wouldn't go for that. She wanted me to be a veterinarian and make lots of money as an animal doctor. And she would not accept paying thousands and thousands of dollars for me to become a broke actor. Broke artist. I felt stuck. I felt hopeless. I felt like I had made the greatest mistake anyone could ever make in life. I was paralyzed by the thought that my life was out of my hands. That I had no control, even though I was technically an independent adult. My head spun for days, for weeks. The panic attacks came almost constantly. Then one day, I decided to do what I'd always done in my youth to ease my spirit. Listen to the Miseducation of Lauryn Hill by Miss Lauryn Hill. I listened to it again and again and again. This album is my Bible. It's where I go to draw strength and inspiration. How I refill my cup when it's run bone dry. And as her sweet, strong voice filled my ears and my soul with knowledge and empowerment and realness, I cried. I cried and cried and cried. Not only because it was nostalgic and beautiful, but because I realized I had to make big decisions. Decisions that would be heavily frowned upon. And would have huge consequences on my life. I was leading myself down a path that I had no map for.